Hey, Namaste, soul family. It's Sky Goddess coming back at you with another electro read. And okay, so this is for the Earth signs. Next 48 hours, December 1 to December 2. Okay, of course, as the clock strikes 12 a.m. December 1 through to 11:59 p.m. December 2. That's 24 hours. 11, well, what I should say is 23:59 December 2. Right before the time changes to December, or the date changes to December 3, right before the 0000 hours. So I just got up, so I'm a bit more aloof than ever. So let me get into this because I kind of want to get these done by today. Of course, these readings are not just restricted to December 1 and 2. Okay. Whenever you're led to these readings, that is simply a sign, an omen from your spirit guides, the universe, the divine, the great spirit, your intuition, your inner guidance that, hey, these are the energies affecting me at this current moment, or affecting a loved one of mine, or someone in close proximity to me, who in turn will have an effect on my own life and my space, my comfort, and my own life cycle. So just be really conscious of the energies around you that is being subconsciously conscious. Okay, so next 48 for the earth signs. Whenever I feel led by spirit, of course I will do some more card of the day energies. There's so many different readings that I've started. I have not forgotten them. Once I do become more stable, I will be able to do all those readings, because this is my job. So I got Truth is Stranger Than Fiction. I got my new love reading. I got love readings that I do. I got fuck don't I know readings that I do. I got I'm trying to remember, because there's so many of them. So many past, present, future readings that I do next 24 hours, card of the day. And there's some there are others because I have them written down, but I just gotta give me a break. So next 48, this is like pretty much a moon cycle, well, not a moon cycle, a moon transit read. Okay, not necessarily based on the frequency of the moon, but what I mean by a moon transit read is like pretty much, to be exact, 2.5 days. But I'm just like, okay, next 48, because I'm not gonna go over and say next 72 hours because it's not 3 days. So I think it's more accurate to do a minus of the half day than to go over into another energy. So this is for the earth signs. December 1 to 2, electro read. As you see, you know why this is an electro read. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Sun, Rising, Mars, Jupiter, Moon in fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. Venus, Mercury in air, water signs. North Node in water signs, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Year of the snake, year of the ox, year of the rooster. Alright, those are Chinese astrological frequencies based on the year you were born. Okay. You can look below. If you do not see your Chinese, if you do not see your birth year, check the other videos for the other elements. Maybe you'll find, well, definitely, okay, because like all them years are there, like definitely. Like anybody's birth year isn't there, maybe a minor or someone whose age is off the calendar. Like most of these years are off the, like ages, but are like off the calendar. But when I say off the calendar, I don't really mean in context like a lot of people may say over like 31 or 30. It's more like people are like 100 years old or 80 years old. Like I think maybe some I've got like for 70 something years old or 80 something years old, maybe. And sometimes I might be led to add, my apologies, that's a yawn, to add them years, but not all the time. So and I'm not discriminating against the older folks. I do believe their years, because like I got like 1950 something, that's like for someone who's in their 70s. Yeah, I feel like I should go to like 100 years old or something, because like I said, these energies are like not just you but people who are around you. Okay, so like grandparents, great grands, and neighbors and stuff. So I may adjust. I think I will do that. Okay, so like I said, for the fire signs, I'm gonna touch on the first 2 week energies that are gonna be affecting you guys, and then that main energy that's gonna be affecting you for the first 2 days of December. Before I get into these cards, one is for day 1, and the second obviously is for day 2. So okay, y'all in the 10 of swords frequency, the tower, the changing, the ending of Saturn cycles is the ending of, like, for the, well, pretty much that was like a lot of tower moments, a lot of endings, let me just say that, and to relationships, and to jobs, especially, well, because like we recently had, well, Mercury's recently in Scorpio, so a lot of things coming to an end. And this has me thinking now, man. End of marriages, jobs that people have had for a long time, for like years, like Saturn cycles, like people walking away from those jobs, as well as people being redundant, people being laid off, people being fired. But for certain things to happen, like we got control, but we don't got control. And I've been saying this for a long time. For certain things to happen, certain other things will happen to make them happy. And even though you say, oh damn, I'm not gonna give into that prediction, that's not gonna happen. Like, we don't control time, we don't control how other people act, we don't control the wheel of fortune. And so once the frequencies are the 10 of swords, for the first week of December, man, that's what it's gonna be. A lot of endings, but also the ending of hardship for my earth signs. So this could be a job that's just not doing it for you anymore, or the policies have changed, the contract has changed, you know, they're all different kind of mandates now, and you just not down. It's just not your ideal job anymore. The marriage is not your ideal marriage anymore. I did a video on the singlehood trend. The relationship is not, it's just not doing it. The people you associated yourself with, you know, the people you talked with, like cutting off, bloodlines, like cousins, siblings, aunties, uncles, sisters, like siblings, that's siblings, sisters, brothers, friends, neighbors, just cutting people off all over. And I feel like Mercury in Scorpio aided that. I feel like now it's like pretty much the moving on. I feel like pretty much it's the moving on. And Scorpio is a special frequency because it unveils a lot. It's slow moving, and it, with that being said, especially when Mercury is in Scorpio, and I be saying like the thoughts are slower, but with Mercury moving so slow, a lot is unveiled. And that's why, Scorpio also embodies like 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 things beneath the surface, like being uprooted, like things that you missed during the faster transits of Mercury. You see them, you realize. It just really gets beneath the subconscious of things, of people, animals, everything, the situation. And like you realize, this isn't working. I feel like if you ended a connection, some may have ended a connection whilst Mercury transited Scorpio. I just don't feel like you should return to those connections. Don't. It's gonna be like an imprisonment. It's not gonna work. Because like this, like looking into the transit for myself, I'm like realizing it's just not gonna work. I'm just like thinking to myself, like it's just not gonna work. This could be relatives, a group of people. This could be a lover, whether you recently met this person, like doing, prior to Mercury's transit in Scorpio, or doing that transit. And you realize you and this person is just not gonna work. I feel like it's just, this is like an ex. I just don't think that we should return to the past. I feel like with the Ten of Swords, first earth signs, you're being called to something better, something different, like go to the future. Because like if the past was hard and toxic, why go back there? If we were not getting what we needed or deserved, why go back to the past? Like, why? So I'm getting the Tower. And your first house is like, the first house, they synchronize with the fifth and ninth. Those are fire placements, okay? Mars, the Sun, and Jupiter. Primarily, we're dealing with your Mars placement for the first 2 days. I feel like Really just being yourself for the first 2 days before I touch into the cards for the cards here. Okay. On a superficial level, really beautiful. I'm getting really beautiful, really stern, really practical, really rigid. There, you got no time for the superficial. You want evidence, okay? Also, just really, 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 really paying attention, looking at the past, experimenting. Like if you're a scientist, or you could be experimenting, conducting researches and stuff. Case studies, looking over case files, proofreading, studying, okay? But I also see theft here for some of you. This could be you or someone around you being caught doing something deceptive, stealing. Okay, this could be stealing clothes. Okay, someone being caught stealing clothes, or stealing from someone's house. Or this could be, like he said, this could be you seeing someone robbing someone's house. So this could be in your vicinity. This could be your neighbor's house. Okay, you live close by this person. This could be, of course, you doing the robbery, or this could be someone robbing you. I'm getting for some feeling really wealthy, and this could be gifts coming into you, the first to the second, gifts coming into you. I'm getting like for the first 2 days, like you're really, really, really analyzing stuff, like or like thinking deeply on something here. Are you really being private in whatever you do or wherever you go? Also, getting an air of paranoia, could be, um, very Venusian for some, okay? Very Venusian for some, like soft and just really approachable. Also just natural. But I'm getting really stern, and somewhat rigid, could be stubborn. For some, more stubborn than others. But of course, rigidity, structure, discipline, those are your energies, earth signs, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Also, I'm getting like Wednesday, Thursday, there's gonna be a change to your normal routine. So whatever it is you've been doing prior to, which also includes today, Tuesday, that is gonna be changed. You're gonna be on a whole different flow. For some, working, okay? Your work is the order of the day. You'll be in a prestigious, reputable energy. This could be you modeling Wednesday, Thursday, both them days, or either. Okay, a model contract. Okay. So let's go into the first day. We've got the strength. Okay. That's Leo Scorpio frequency. It's one of so I'm getting a chimera kind of energy. And it's so because I did a video, it's so synchronistic because I did a video talking about what I discovered about the chimera. But last night, I believe, to this morning, like last night I fell asleep with that on my mind, and I woke up this morning with the same on my mind. And I started like doing some reading. I was reading up about it last night, and I was doing that like this morning. Like that was like the first thing that I did, because like I'm just super analytical right now. I just want to like understand things. But like this picture here, guys, embodies the chimera. I spoke about the strength frequency in one of the card of the day energies. In one of the card of the day reading. Because a sign got this. I'm not sure if it was the earth signs. There's so much I could say about this card right here. This, of course, is a major arcana. Because, like, the majors, they trump over the whole landscape. If you, like, because I've been, like, pulling a lot of, well, for last night's message that I did for the fire signs, I think they're only major arcanas. That was what? Justice, and I don't remember the other one that came out beside it, but I think it was also a major. I wouldn't be surprised if the other card is a major. Because pretty much for the first 2 days, all the elements are going to be in their element. But really strong, because like Saturn is strong. Because like, damn, this really does synchronize with the chimera. Because like the chimera, some refers to the chimera as a she-goat. But it's referred to as a she, as a matter of fact. Let me just just stick to that, okay? Not necessarily a goat, but she's like a hybrid. A hybrid, not of 2 specimen, but 3. She got the tail of a snake or serpent. Some has it as a dragon. The midriff, or the body of a goat, and the head of a lion. Now, why this embodies the chimera? Look at the Roman numeral, that's 8. That synchronizes with Scorpio. But that's also the eighth month. And the 8th month is ruled by Leo, because Leo begins that month. Okay? And then you got the infinity. I spoke about the infinity in regards to this card before, which is like in numerology 8, numeral 8 turned horizontal. You see that? The strength being defined by the numerology 8 and the Roman numeral 8. You see, that's showing you there's a connection between the numeral 8 and the infinity. They mirror each other. Death and transformation, and life eternal. This is also telling you that death isn't an end, an absolute end, but like also this is telling you that Scorpio is like a twin flame of Leo. So I don't know, man. Like, you could be dealing with a Leo Scorpio, or you could be a Leo dealing with a Scorpio, or a Scorpio dealing with a Leo, or you a chimera. I'm also going to touch on her face and the lion's face, a similarity there. Now, the chimera don't necessarily, well, astrology is anatomy. Damn. Now, I was talking about beauty. The Queen of Wands, Leo, represents beauty, royalty, like I was saying before. Royalty, from a royal bloodline, pulling on the Aquarius frequency, like the kid of a royal here. But beautiful mane, a beautiful face. That's showing you a mirror, like this woman here, maybe a virgin, Virgo. Not necessarily a virgin, but Virgo is the virgin. She's like the twin flame of this line. So you could be a Virgo dealing with a Leo, or Leo Scorpio. That's your twin flame. Okay? Or this could be your kid. But I'm getting like, these are like two in the same, though they look different. Now, you could be a Caucasian man dealing with a black woman, or a Caucasian woman dealing with a black man. Y'all look different in form, but you're all the same. People, they be wondering, how is this innocent maiden or woman playing with this dangerous lion? But the lion will not hurt you, will not harm you, because deep inside you are just like this lion, and the lion knows that, its frequencies and energies. I'm also getting something being confirmed within the next 48 hours. I'm getting also someone being angry. This could be your spouse, or this is you. Someone also will be seeing, you're going to see someone from your past, like manifest Wednesday, Thursday. Someone needs to talk to you or tell you how they feel. I'm getting someone has strong feelings for someone here. Or this is you. Well, you could be dealing with, yeah, like I said, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, because I'm getting like also you need to figure something out. You need clarity in a situation here. You're gonna be thinking like, I got this. Who did I get this? Yeah, for the fire signs, thinking over and over again. You could have an aspect in that reading thinking over and over and over and over again about something here. This could also be you, because like you said, the Ten of Swords, mustering up the strength, man. That's you, earth signs, really disciplined, really strong. You're beautiful, but you're strong. Like I said, you're the same like the lion, the king of the jungle. You're really strong. You see how she's playing with the lion? How many people you gonna have be like playing with like? No, you gotta be strong like a lion. You gotta have the heart of a lion. This reminds me of a song that there's this young lady who well, I don't know, if I were to say I had any friends in high school, I would say it was her, even though I don't consider me ever have any friend, because I never really, like, for me a friend is like someone you tell certain things, and I never felt comfortable. Other than lovers, I think my lovers were my best friends. They're the only ones I would tell certain things to, and no wonder people always try to use them to like sabotage me. But she was a Scorpio, and that's so strange. Damn, she's a Scorpio, and actually, damn. I was just talking about hybrids. Like, she's actually a mulatto. Her father is black Jamaican, and her mother white Canadian. And it was like the one and only sleepover I've ever had, and was at her house, and it was so fun. It was so cute. Her younger brother had the sweetest crush on me, and I thought he's so adorable. But it's like those days I'm a beauty. I feel like I underestimate myself. So I feel like you're realizing you've been underestimating yourself, because while I was growing up, I never thought myself beautiful. Let me see, when did I start seeing myself as beautiful? When I separated from my son's father, because I never felt beautiful with him. And him and his his people, very prejudiced, like, really prejudiced. His mother is kind of mulatto, but it's just really prejudiced energy, where I noticed a lot of people within the black community, and like even like Jamaica, it's like they're really colorist and stuff like that. And I just remember the way in which she treated my sons, how prejudiced she was towards my sons, because I'm a dark-skinned woman, but this is like actually reminding me of a reading that I did, but I'm not gonna get into that. But I be coming across a lot of hybrids. I feel like this is like an omen too. I don't know, maybe I myself is a hybrid in some way. If just frequency wise, because like a lot of people like, you act strange for a black girl. You act weird. You're like a white girl in a black girl's body. And that's because I'm a chimera in terms of my frequencies and energies. But Scorpio is the goat. People, they say Capricorn is the goat. Capricorn, the symbolism for Capricorn, well, in Western astrology, is a sea goat, the head of the top half of a goat and the bottom half of a fish. So it's like a sea goat. But in Chinese astrology, Scorpio is the goat. Okay? Virgo is the snake. And Leo is the dragon. So someone could have Virgo, Scorpio, Leo highly aspected. Now this could be a black woman or a black man who got Virgo highly aspected. Could be like a sun in Virgo. Venus in Scorpio. Because Venus rules the 2nd and the 7th houses. The 7th house is your public image, how you're seen, how you are in public. Virgo is the 7 of Cups. Virgos, they come off really secretive, but no, we're just really private. We're not secretive, we're private. If you find shit out about us, we're not gonna die. But it's not gonna come from us. And we're not gonna clarify if that's true. We're not gonna confirm if it is true. We're not gonna lose our minds. But it's just not gonna come from our mouth. And as long as it doesn't come from a horse's mouth, damn. Is it true? But like I was saying, like, you know, sometimes we see, I feel like you're gonna like really see or realize that you're beautiful. That's what I'm trying to get at. I'm getting you could be a tomboy here. Like, you're really beautiful, man. But like all your life you've been playing with the boys. Or you could have sons. You can only give birth to sons. You're a strong woman. You know, I'm not putting down women who give birth to daughters, because we need daughters and we need sons. But the Bible did say, I'm gonna just paraphrase, not quote, blessed is the woman who gives birth to a man child. And no wonder you got in certain cultures, you know, like especially like in China, they idolize male children because that's the seed. Like literally babies, they come from men. Yeah. Us women, we're like incubators. We have the eggs, but without fertilization, the egg is just an egg. It's not a baby, nor can it ever be a baby. We need each other. And this is also showing you balance. Because Virgo also embodies the earth signs, represent discipline, work, routine. Let me talk. Not just Virgo, the whole earth signs. Scorpio is more like slow moving, like I said, or at a standstill. This is also a form of death, also transformation. So things move much slower. It is like a balance, finding a balance. So you could be finding a balance here, man, the first 2 days. But also what I'm getting, life and death, because the lion is Leo, embodying life, the sun. She's like the maiden Virgo, the transitioner, which is similar to Scorpio. Virgos and Scorpios are very much alike. Oh, damn. No wonder there was like this connection between her and I. She's a Scorpio, November Scorpio. I'm a September Virgo. We both ruled our birthdays fell in, or months, because we got Scorpio, part of Scorpio, in October, but it rules November, the 11th month. Everything is everything, man. I feel like this is coming up, well, in the season of Sag. We're in the season of Sag because Sag is the 9th frequency. Virgo rules the 9th month. I feel like you're finally understanding something here. But of course, everything is a cycle. I feel like you're gonna be understanding why something had to happen, or why something happened to you in the past, or why something has been constantly happening to you. The infinity, a simulation. It's a simulation. It's the matrix. Are you breaking the matrix? Damn. You strong. Like they didn't know you could. I'm getting also deception. Someone was trying to deceive you, but they didn't know you play with lions. I'm also getting a deep analysis, like I said earlier, of the past. That's Leo frequency, analyzing the past. What was said in the past. This could be this could be you studying, man, for exams. What your teacher said, trying to understand, trying to grasp that topic, or that topic of discussion. But this could like you being trying to understand. This could be a relationship, a marriage, or a friendship. This could be like you trying to understand what happened to your friend. They like fell off the map or something. Or this could be you're gonna find out that someone you were close to, someone in your past, died overseas, or they're dead. I'm getting like someone you went to school with, or someone from your past could have had something to do with your relationship coming to an end. Damn. This person could have been jealous of you. And you thought this person was your friend. Or maybe you're seeing this person again. Damn. I feel like also someone's gonna figure out why someone ghosted them. I'm getting like this could have been an old friend of yours, because I always wondered what happened to that girl. I'm not gonna call her name. Like, of course I remember her name. Like, people just too much, man. But I feel like this friend of yours, or this lover of yours, either they walked away or they stopped talking to you. Because they were having sex with your lover, they were involved with your ex. Or I'm getting, they were sick, they knew they were sick, they knew they were about to die. They didn't want you to know. They didn't want you to know because maybe they were hiding this sickness from you, or maybe they just they didn't want you to know they were deceiving you, depending on the nature of the sickness, or they knew it would hurt you terribly. Or they were afraid you would cuss them out. So this could be, this is someone you were close to, I'm getting. So I'm getting the truth. You're gonna get the truth here. You're gonna get the truth. So I'm getting you're gonna have to be strong, or you're strong enough now for the truth. So it is coming to you. It is time, because you're now strong enough to handle the truth that is coming to you. You're ready to face the past, whatever happened in the past. I'm getting you could have been going around in circles, confused. Clarity's coming. I think I got that energy in another reading. I don't remember which or how long ago. Like I said, my concept of time is fucked up. Having to like being like jumping timelines and stuff on some real shit. It does mess around with your concept of time. For some a little, for some to a great extent. Literally, I went to sleep and I woke up like this happened 2 times, and I thought it was like, say for example, like I remembered Monday, and I woke up and I'm like, oh damn, this is like Tuesday. And when I like, damn motherfucker, it's Wednesday. I'm like, what the hell happened Tuesday? What happened to Tuesday? Did I skip that out? So yeah. But I'm getting like someone here is also the master of time. Like you can make on some esoteric level, for my people are ready for this truth. Someone here can make time stand still or speed it up. There's someone here, and that's not really making time stand still or speeding up. It really means you manipulating frequencies and energy, you manipulating time, you jumping timelines, in other words. And this could be to a few hours, few minutes, few days, a day or two. That's what it is. Or someone has been doing this to you. Resetting the clock. I'm also getting a reset because like after the tower is like a new beginning. And I'm getting an energy of karma. Karma can be good, can be bad. So prepare for your karma, good or bad. You know what I'm also getting? Someone here has powerful children. This is like a maiden or the Virgin or the Virgin Mary. This is like, you know what this strength card also embodies for me? A depiction of the Virgin Mary and Jesus, the Son. I was inside the house, I think Sunday, and they were playing a Christmas song on their phone on the Bluetooth box. I was talking this song, I don't remember the name of it, was saying like Mary, she didn't know. Oh yeah, Mary, did you know that your baby boy? I don't remember exactly the wording, but it's like, you didn't know you would give birth to a kid that's gonna rule the world, the nations. Just paraphrasing, you didn't know that? This is somebody who the world will grow to fear and bow down before. This is someone who, like the lion, will roam and rule this earth. But this is your kid. I'm getting people could be like trying to manipulate your kid, turn your kids or your child against you. That cannot happen. If you remember when you used to breastfeed your child, you see how the lion is looking in her eyes and she's looking in the lion's eyes? That's exactly what happened with my second son, Asher. I'm not lying. Well, he's a Leo on some real shit, and I'm a Virgo. My older son, Joshua, is a Leo Virgo cusp. Get that shit. You see how that lion be looking in her face? Damn. That's how my baby, one of my babies, that's how he looked in my eyes when I gave him tits, when I gave him suck, when I gave him breast milk. Because I love breastfeeding, man. I don't know why some women don't. Damn. That's a beautiful experience. That's how you bond with your kids, man. If you never gave your kids breast milk, you have no bond or connection with your kid here. On some real shit, I'm telling you. You, the mother of this lion. You got a lion in you, and that's why you could give birth to the lion. You got that fire, you got dragon, moon in Leo. Or moon and fire in the deacon of Leo. Or you don't even gotta have that, but hell, you an earth sign, you got that. Frequencies, that's like timelines, probabilities, and free will. There's still that dimension that you're merged with, where you got moon and Leo. How is this? Go and follow my the Grey Witch channel. I listened to that video that I spoke. That title is there: timelines, probabilities, and free will. So this is your kid, man. This is your kid. He got the virgin in him. Like, when I say the virgin, like this human form, because the virgin like comes off as a human, but he's powerful on the outside. That's only for you, man. But the world gotta see him roar. This could be your lover, your twin flame. He a dangerous ninja. Hell is this? I'm gonna like leave this right now. The second day down, we got the Five of Pentacles. What the hell is this about, man? But I don't know. This is like, is this the virgin? But you know, this woman is like the virgin. Well, Virgo is also the hermit, wise, very analytical. This could be like someone's got Mars in Virgo, Sun in Capricorn. Your 7th house is in Pisces. You come off as really secretive, mysterious, mature, serious. Like I said, guys, that serious energy. Now I feel like this is like a card of deception here. I feel like there's so much more, because like the way in which a lot of readers, they analyze this card here, I'm getting like a different energy. The way in which a lot of readers, they analyze the Five of Pentacles, yeah. Of course, any particular card can mean an infinite amount of things, but look at the window there, guys. I'm also getting someone is marked. Now this could be for a hit, murder, or this is you executing this, but this could be on a spiritual level. The Five of Pentacles is not necessarily, well, you see, I'm taking back to some religious shit, because we got Mercury, the 3rd and 6th houses, and Sag, religions, religious figures. And I'm also getting like, you see that window there? That's like the window of a cathedral or a church. And I just made mention of Mary and Jesus. Now, it's like We know when I was listening also to the song, this is another aspect of the song. It's like, was it that song or another song where he was born in a manger, so poor like, and but he's so great. And that's because he came from a very humble upbringing. Now you could be one. I feel I'm getting someone stepping into their purpose here. Like I said, the end of hardship, 10 of swords, the end of something. Now this 5 of Pentacles means something different for each of you here. This is having to beg. Like literally, this is literally what it seems on a superficial level. Poverty, someone losing their wealth. But for some, or like I said, losing their job, getting fired, getting laid off, someone leaving their job, thought they were leaving it for better, it's just worse. Okay? Or someone left someone here, thought it was for better, but it's for worse. Now, like I said, this don't have to be you. Could be someone from your past or someone around you, your ex, your neighbor or something. I'm getting also the phoenix, because the phoenix is a chimera. Bird and serpent. Bird and snake. It's like a dragon. Like, I've never heard anyone say this before, but the phoenix is a dragon. A dragon is like a chimera. A crossbreed between bird and serpent, or bird and snake. Reptile and bird. That's the dragon. So I'm getting like someone is a dragon here, but this is like someone could be burning down someone's house here. Sila, I take that as an omen. Like, I'm gonna do a second part to this.